Same as with Van Gogh. There's this interactive art studio where you can make a picture of yourself and then you will be incorporated in a painting by Monet. But this is only for ladies. So this is how Mirella turned out. And this is me. Claude, this is your masterpiece. Good evening. We are here at the IconSiam and today I'm gonna bring you to Claude Monet and his friends. It's an exhibition that is in the same location where I showed you the Van Gogh exhibition on the 6th floor of the IconSiam. It's the 22nd of October, but we already are getting our Christmas trees here in Bangkok. The evening is setting in. It's 5:30. We had a great day, nice weather. Everything looks beautiful, but let's go inside to the 6th floor and let me introduce you to my friend Claude. Seen the exhibition that I showed you a couple of months ago about Vincent van Gogh. Well, that exhibition finished, and on the 22nd of September they opened Monet and Friends, and this is on the 6th floor of the IconSiam Mall. Here you can get your tickets. Sawadee krap. So the 480 baht is for
the student who below 25 years old or
okay.
elderly who above like.
For me, the student or the elderly. So my ticket would be 990 baht, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. So let's go inside. I have to be honest that I know a bit more about Van Gogh than about Claude Monet, so they are both impressionists. So this exhibition is at least until the 7th of January next year. So let's go inside to the movie. after the movie, let's call it like that, I like this part of the exhibition. This is an interactive kind of painting area where you can be part of Monet and his friends' paintings. The Water Lilies Mirror Room. This is pretty. So this is all made in-house here by local artists. Hello.
Hi. Hello. Want to drop coffee?
Okay. So you have this whole interactive part of this exhibition where you can try out some things. This is the interactive art studio, the interactive art station. So you can try your own skills at drawing. So they almost created a kind of a village, right? Makes you feel that you're inside of the paintings. The Divana Signature Cafe. So the last time that we were here, this was all in the style of Van Gogh. Very pretty. You can also take an art class. This you can book separately. Part of the painting if you want to be. Same as with Van Gogh, there is this interactive art studio where you can make a picture of yourself and then you will be incorporated in a painting by Monet, but this is only for ladies. So this is how Mirella turned out, and this is me. Claude, this is your masterpiece. At the end of the exhibition you will find the shop. Thank you. So if you want to buy some Monet goods, you can buy that here. And here also they make replicas of Monet paintings. So this is on the 6th floor of the IconSiam, and this is where you have all the restaurants as well. So let me show you another piece of art of the IconSiam. I always like to have a look at this fountain here. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding Claude, Monet, and friends. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.